You guys, I'm not starting this trip off good at all. I was sick last night. Like, I kept getting up to go to the bathroom. Severe diarrhea. My head hurts. I had a scarf on, and look at my edges. Like, my edges are indicative of the night I had last night. I threw up this morning. I think whatever I ate yesterday gave me food poisoning. That's not even the best part. If you know by the title of this, you know this is a travel vlog, which means I'm traveling and I need to drive. I mean, it's not far, but stops are. I'm just not in the mood to travel right now. So, let's check my temperature. 100.6. It was 100.8 like 30 minutes ago. Not even, maybe like 20. And I went and made some green tea. So we're moving downward slowly but surely. But I still have to go drop Zara off and then head to the airport and then go through all that. So I'm hoping that I could just sleep on the plane and then wake up and feel better. Because I just threw up this morning when I woke up. And it's 5:46. So, yeah, I didn't sleep. I had to keep taking showers. Get back in bed. Then I had to use the bathroom again. Then I woke up, used the bathroom and threw up. So I had to take another shower. Like, I'm exhausted. The devil is working. Hey guys, so I'm in Chicago. I'm waiting for my ride. Uber. It says it's 3 minutes away. Update on how I feel. I feel better. The plane ride was rough. It was like a 2-hour flight. But I needed to ask for a bag. Like, I was like, oh my gosh. I was dizzy. It was really tough, but what I did was I ended up getting ice, like asking for ice, and then I was putting the ice under my tongue and just letting it melt, and that like really helped me a lot. I don't know what made me think to do that, but it definitely helped. So I think my ride is here. Yeah, right. Hey y'all, so we're about to do this room tour, house tour, excuse me, because this is definitely more than one room. Excuse how I look right now. I'm prepping. The edges is getting laid under construction right now. So this is the front door, and from there you have the living room. You guys say hey. Hey. This is Tam Tam, and a little dining room. And then a sitting area. I never thought I would like blue or black paint on the wall, but it actually looks really nice. And then you see we have our games and a whole bunch of random stuff. We got one bedroom here. Then the bathroom, a lovely lady is in there. And then the kitchen. This is the room I'm staying in. And if you don't know, I always like fully unpack my whole life. I don't like living out of my suitcase, so. Really? Yeah, but there's no closet in this room. So, yep, all my clothes is laid out right there. Shoes, and it's like organized chaos for real. Yeah, just don't mind that. And then the kitchen, we did get groceries. Well, some of the ladies got groceries. And then we have a deck. So this is a storage closet, I think. Yeah, nothing too interesting in here. And then we also have, what is this? It's dark as hell. I guess that's the back stairway to go downstairs. And then we're coming up. Is everyone decent? I'm vlogging.
I ain't got no clothes on.
You don't got no clothes on?
I'm just playing.
Okay. Oh, this is nice up here. America's Marathon 10th anniversary.
Not America's Most Hunted.
No, it says America's Marathon Chicago.
Oh, I think that
This is a cute little room. So we have another
Welcome
bedroom.
to my cribs. This is where I keep all my dead bodies.
What is somebody supposed to do with that for real
This
though?
is where you keep the dead bodies. They stay cool, cause nah, the whole.
Oh, we got a skylight. It would have been nice if they didn't have the screen though, because you really can't see nothing. You dressed? You gonna say hi to the vlog?
It's a birthday girl.
It's her birthday.
She got a big booty. Oh, you don't show the vlog big booty? Oh.
What's this? Oh, I was just asking if there was a laundry room, but
My beer opened up on my fucking scarf from Syria.
it's not plugged in. And then we got Momo's master. And another, is this a bathroom? And a closet. So that is the house tour, you guys. Let me know what you think. Me and Shirag about to go to Walmart and maybe dinner or bar, sports grill, something like that. So comment down below. This is a big ass place, right? Everybody got their own room pretty much. I fully support this movement of when you're traveling, everybody has their own space.
Airbnb?
Yeah, much better than a hotel. So anyways, see you guys later.
Hey, oh, hey, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm taking my freedom, pulling it off the shelf, putting it on my chain, wearing it round my neck. I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my car, wherever I choose to go. It won't take me far. I'm living my life like it's golden. 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 I'm taking my own freedom, putting it in my song, singing loud and strong, moving all day long. I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my soul. I'll be hopped up in y'all, letting the joy unfold. I'm living my life.
Good afternoon, guys. So guess where I'm at? Guess where us ladies are at? You gonna say hi, ladies? Hello. There's only 4 of us right now. The other 3 are on the way, but we are in the Shy, as you know. And we're at, who can tell me what this house is?
The Shameless house.
If you didn't know that, I've never actually seen the show. So if you watch the show, comment down below. But yes, as Kiki said, this is the Shameless house. Anybody watch Shameless? I need y'all to let me know. Thumbs up this video. If you do, it says you gotta pay $5.
They got cash up?
No. He said put it in the mailbox.
Please put donations to the mailbox.
Yeah. And it's $5 to take a picture. So since you went in the gate, you gotta give them $5. If you go inside the gate, you gotta give them $5.
So if y'all go in there, you gotta donate $5. You just put it in the mailbox. You just put it in the mailbox.
Yes. It's real cute though. I wonder what made them choose this house.
Right now, baby, day and night, night and day. All I've got to say is, if I was your girl, all the things I do to you, I'd make you go up my name, might ask who it belongs to you. If I was your woman, the things I do to you, but I'm not, so I can't and I won't. But if I was your girl.
Slow it down, just let it go. So in love, I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow. So tonight, I'll do it every way.
Good morning, you guys. So we had a way earlier start today than we did yesterday, and we are at the Bean.
Because I can tell the morning light, 'cause we like to party. It's driving me crazy. I can't explain the way I feel. Top down with the radio on, and the night belongs to us. Just hold me close, don't let me go. So in love,
Oh yeah, you know, you see these was a special edition. Yeah. Black and gold. Special edition only in Wakanda. Hey, nigga, hey.
Fuck you mean? Exclusive shit only. Exclusive shit only. You gotta show you. I mean, you know.
Hey, let me get down.
Oh, yeah. What's up? What you vlogging?
Oh.
What you blogging on the blog?
Vlogging.
Hey.
Vlogging.
Vlogging.
She said the green elevator.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it glass?
I mean, it's 94
Oh, it would
floors.
be dope if it's glass. Huh?
Yes, it
So
would.
we can-
On the way up.
I'm here.
I'm excited.
I'm scared, but I'm excited.
You excited? Do you see how fucking long this building is?
Bro, 94 floors.
94?
We've been
Like
we've
9
been waiting
floors?
on the elevator for I don't know how long.
Maybe like 6 minutes. Not too long. Not too long.
That's scary.
9 4.
9 floors.
9.
I did the red robin. Yum.
The rest of y'all slow.
Set the scene, 3,000 degrees. I ain't worried about them Oaklands over there, but they worry about me. I got a homeboy named Butter and another homeboy that named Cheese. Well, with me, baby, I make it milk till it drip down your knees. Spit this shit for real low, brain real low. Kiddo say he looks up to me, this just makes me feel old. Never thought that we could become someone else's hero. Man, we were just in the food court eating our gyros. Yesterday, that's the way. Every single morning I try to pay. Grandmama and them, they never forgot. Nothing else really mean nothing to me. I ain't studying to be talking to me. Girl, why you huffing with me? Move on, ain't nothing to see. Always something to song. I'm the wrong, off the rip. Cause of him, all of them will remember. But the men, they fell in love with rap. Black like having your cousin back. Blue like when that rent is due. Cream like when I'm loving you.
I'll give it all away. Just don't tell nobody tomorrow.